The Human Genome Project was absolutely a milestone.
You've identified something never seen before in the history of medicine.
The excitement was this would revolutionize medicine.
By the time the genome was completed, what became even more exciting is that we could use that information almost immediately to get insights on disease and disorders in a way that we never could before. That started to change everything.
It's an international research institute, and that is extraordinary, the impact that something in Phoenix, Arizona can have.
Arizona's always been on the cutting edge of innovation, and nowhere is that more visible than with TGen.
Phoenix is the 5th largest metropolitan area in the country. The population's been growing at just a rapid pace over the last few years, and the delivery of healthcare has not quite kept up with the demand that is there.
So building those systems in a city so young is to build systems that don't exist. It's not necessarily just improving on systems that are already here.
Arizona needs advanced cancer care to deploy the newest technologies, to deploy the newest clinical trials. Local research does benefit local patients first.
City of Hope is over 100 years old, has a tremendous history of discovery, from the development of the first synthetic insulin to the discovery of the technology behind cancer drugs such as Avastin and Herceptin and Rituxan.
Without question, City of Hope has been the perfect partner for TGen. The remarkable effort that City of Hope had put into immunology, to cell-based therapies. How do we understand our immune system? How do we understand the genetic changes in our cancer? How can we crosstalk those and think about how they could benefit each other?
We think about the burden of cancer in this state, and there is such a need for the kind of top quality cancer care that City of Hope can provide. Accelerate the cycle of discovery, accelerate the cycle of new drug testing in different cancers.
The opportunity in Phoenix is, of course, very unique because we have an incredible clinical facility in direct proximity to TGen.
We also have clinical delivery facilities in North Scottsdale. We have one in North Phoenix and one in Gilbert. So we are trying to bring this clinical delivery as close to home as possible.
So that's the challenge we're taking on at City of Hope. Let's build the medical system for this rapidly growing city that people of Arizona deserve.
I think we're all just very, very excited about what TGen and City of Hope are going to be able to do together and are doing already.
To me, hope is belief in the future. We've found breakthroughs and partnerships and innovations along the way. And I think TGen and City of Hope will be that belief in the future for the state of Arizona.
The project we're taking on in Arizona is a big one. There's nothing modest about it to be able to reach all of these communities, to be able to reach across the full spectrum of Arizonans and touch as many lives as we possibly can.
Having something like City of Hope here, just the name tells you, we give you hope. And that's what we need.